The Legal Zone is sponsored by Smith & Beckey Injury Lawyers and 300hurt.com.
We never know when an unexpected turn of events could leave us in need of good legal representation, so it's very important to have a knowledgeable attorney in your network. For us, that is Richard Smith and Scott Beckey of Smith & Beckey Injury Lawyers. Richard, I know you've been serving the community since 1987, and you've joined forces with Scott Beckey. Now, what makes this such a great partnership?
Well, Scott and I have worked together for many years at a previous law firm. He's very experienced. He knows litigation. He's tried many cases. He's worked for the insurance companies before he came to work for us. So he's very knowledgeable about personal injury cases.
Right. And Scott, you've got more than 20 years experience. You've handled a whole lot of personal injury claims. What do you want people to know about the way you practice?
We give personal service to people. If you call, you'll either get Richard or I. If we're not available, if you really want to talk to an attorney, obviously you can get on our calendar. Ask our paralegal, can we talk to Scott? Can we talk to Richard? Our paralegals, we have the best staff in the state, I would say.
Yeah, they're great.
And so they do a fantastic job. They will give you great service as well.
And you're covering areas, personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, Social Security disability claims. And each case is actually handled by you personally. Why is that unique?
It's important because, we make sure that we are available for our clients. So when you call Smith & Beckey, you get Smith & Beckey. You don't get somebody you've never heard of. You get one of us or you get our paralegals. And like Scott mentioned, you can always get on our calendar if we're not available to meet with you personally or talk to you.
And you work for the people, not the insurance companies or corporations, right?
He used to work for the insurance companies, but not anymore, just the people.
Yeah, well, it's important, and you love what you do, and we love talking to you. So, Richard, Scott, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Your practice areas and contact information are on screen now, and anybody watching can get in touch with Smith & Beckey Injury Lawyers by calling 300hurt or visiting 300hurt.com.